Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface so the varnish bonds and lasts. Once the area is clean and sanded, stir the varnish slowly to avoid bubbles and strain if particles remain. Use a natural bristle brush for oil-based or a foam roller for water-based varnish. Apply a thin coat about 0.5 to 1 mm and keep a wet edge. This first coat seals the wood and reveals grain. Make sure to let it level for an even finish. Once the first coat cures, you need to refine the surface before adding more protection. Lightly sand with 220 to 320 grit to knock down raised grain and wipe all dust away with a tack cloth. Then apply 2 to 3 more coats, following manufacturer dry times, usually 4 to 24 hours, so each layer bonds properly. If the varnish pulls or shows bubbles, thin the next coat 5 to 10%. This improves flow. You finish by applying the final coat with long, even strokes and resist overworking the varnish once it starts to set, because that causes brush marks. Allow the piece to cure. Expect 48 to 72 hours for light use and up to 7 days for full hardness. If you encounter runs, dust nibs, or orange peel, let it dry, sand smooth with fine grit, clean thoroughly, and recoat with a thin coat. This restores uniformity and prevents further peeling or adhesion problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.